Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to get notified when someone posts on Facebook. The first thing you need to do is open the Facebook app. Then from here you are going to simply select friends in the bottom left hand corner. Then you are going to tap on your friends from the top of the page, and you'll simply search for the person that you would like to receive a notification whenever they post. And you are going to tap on friends. After selecting friends, you are going to tap on edit friends list, and you are going to select close friends, then tap on done. After doing that, you are going to select the menu option in the bottom right hand corner, and from here you are going to scroll down and you are going to select settings and privacy. Then select settings, and you are going to tap on notifications. Then you are going to scroll down and you are going to select right where you see update from friends, and you want to ensure that this is toggled on, allow notifications, and you can select whether you would like to receive push notifications, email or SMS, or you can leave on all three, as you can see that I have done. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.